Hello, everybody. I'm Debbie Indihar, Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to our weekly update. We're plowing into the end of 2023, and there's been quite a bit of activity on open houses. So I want to talk about a recent article in the San Jose Mercury News. In fact, it was yesterday. And I'll read the headlines. It says, Buyer's Reality, Less Home for More Money. Some are swallowing high interest rates with hopes to refinance later. So the interest rates have ticked up a little bit more. I'm looking today at close to 8%. That's what my lender has sent me. I get a weekly report on interest rates. So I wouldn't say that that's had a tremendous impact on buyers buying. They're still cautious on the pricing, so we price homes relative to the market or maybe a little bit lower so we can get those multiple offers, bring in those buyers. But I've got closing Skyline Drive, Crescent, Terrace, and Mount Shasta, 3 properties at the end of this week, and buyers weren't hesitant in paying the higher interest rates for those properties. They're all financed; they're not cash. So the trend is. The thought in the trend is that maybe toward next year, interest rates may come down a little bit, and then that may be an opportunity for a buyer to refinance. Certainly we saw a lot of that during the pandemic years when interest rates were very low. We'll never see those interest rates again during those years, but we certainly may see a little softening of rates. So it's always a good time to buy because home prices are not coming down. So that's the advice for buyers. And for sellers, it's a great market, so don't be hesitant. I've got some great properties coming up, 54 Butler Street in Milpitas. It's a little over 1,800 square foot, completely redone. The seller has worked on it for 3 months. It's an estate sale. They got it through probate or through trustee sale, excuse me. And it's been redesigned. All brand new kitchen, bathrooms, everything brand new in the home. It's just a beautiful, beautiful property. The price point on that is $1,898,888. Let you know when that's going to be ready for an open house, hopefully here in another 2 or 3 weeks. And then 1317 Moonlight Circle in Milpitas. That's in the Pines area. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a bonus room. Really a cute home. It's being tenant occupied now, and the tenant moves out next week. So I'll get that property. We'll touch up paint, maybe do some new carpeting or new flooring. I haven't decided yet. I'll get my stager in there. We'll take a look at that. Price point on that one is going to be $1,298,888. So should be good. It's a little bit below the median price in Milpitas is around $1.450. So that's a good strike zone for that property. And then 89 Park Place in Milpitas. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath condo, and that price point is $899. That was a repossession or a bank REO property that was brought back, and they're fixing that up, and that should be ready to go in a few weeks. And then 2116 Blue Ridge Drive. Really excited about that. That's in the Chappelle area of the Hillcrest area, and built by Chappelle. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, so it's got a bedroom, bathroom down below. And we're going to go in a couple weeks. Sellers are moving out. They had a new home built, so they're going out to their new home. And I'm anxious to get started. We're going to paint, refresh inside, outside, all new flooring, and do some landscaping on that home. It needs some brand new landscaping to bring it up to market value. And that price point will be $2,198,888. So that's going to be a great property to show. So lots of good activity, lots of listings before the end of the year. I've got some things coming in next year. We can talk about that in a couple weeks. So I'm busy, but not too busy for you. So give me a call, 408-945-8988 or giordanodj@aol.com. Look forward to talking to you. And then we'll share with you next week 3 more leading questions that sellers ask, and I can prompt you on that. It's what is the expected timeline for selling my home? Personalized home staging, how experts tailor designs to your property. I love talking about my stager. And the power of curb appeal, landscaping tips from my specialist. So be sure to watch next week, and we'll share those tidbits on that information. So take care, have a great week, and I'll see you next week. Thanks, bye-bye.